What's up, guys? It is moving day. It's sad, but in a way good that this is everything I own. Doesn't even fill up the whole back of this little trailer, but that's all right. Makes it a lot easier to move. I know Single Life for a while has been wanting to move to a bigger place. I like this one. It's only 50 bucks. It's easy, good location. So she decided to get up this morning before me and go look at some places. And she wound up getting one. I didn't get to look at it. I don't even know what it looks like. She took some pictures, but she's horrible at taking pictures. So we're going to learn together, me and you, on an adventure again. Doesn't really matter where I live, as long as I got my stuff. And as long as it's not too far away from things I need. So it's a surprise, and we're gonna go do that right now. Ooh, squeaky water truck. Yeah. All right, this is the first for me. Get to sit in the bench of an open trailer. I was trying to tell him where to go. It's kind of loud. Ooh, this is gonna be kind of shaky. Of course, I don't have my gimbal. Oh. Good time. All right, guys, we made it. Made it to the new homestead. This is a house right here. This is in the Wat Polanka area, not Wabo. Like at first, that's what I thought she said. Wat Polanka, I believe it's called. Look that up on the map, and you'll. It's close over in that area. For the first time since I've been in Cambodia, I have a first floor apartment. First floor. But it's got a big enough step, so even if it rains, it's not going to get flooded, and it's got an overhang of sorts. Looks like a little leaky, but still. Got the window out there. Here's the front door. Still waiting for the power to come on, but let me show you around. First walk in, you got the big bed. Got a fan up there. I remember this place is only $60 a month, so you're not going to get aircon, but that's okay. We got the other fan right there. We got the big fan right there. Just like in the other place, that's good. Lots of outlets. We're just getting those things together, so it looks a little messy, a little out of focus because it's dark. Here we got some nice closet space in here. Sliding door there. More shelf space over here. Got something that'll act like as a little table, a little sitting area right there. Pretty roomy. Ceilings are really high. And over here we have the kitchen. Yeah. So Single Life's happy about that because she got a big kitchen again. And of course the window to let the heat out. And then the bathroom. Nice big tube here. It's pretty big. But you got the toilet, of course. The vent, shower, place for a bucket. I think there used to be a light there, but they have that one now. Same place to put the soap and shampoo and stuff, and a mirror, and a little towel rack. Yeah, so I will be happy about that too, because boy, I can wreck a bathroom and the smell will stay with you for some time. Just put it that way. All right, so there it is. A new place, a new digs, got a new area to explore, so we'll show you some of that in future videos. But yeah, 60 bucks a month, plus of course your electric and water. All right, talk to you guys later. All right, so in case anybody was asking why we moved, well, I said in my previous video, her daughter is coming here to live, needs a place to stay, so she gets her job and can afford a place of her own. But we also found out she's bringing a little boy with her. This little boy was an orphan, and Senglai's sister and her sister's husband in their village had adopted him and been taking care of him, and so he's going to be moving here also. So we did need a bigger space. While it's not huge in here, it is a lot bigger to put a couple cots or a bed or something over there so they have a place to sleep. I'm sorry it's blurry. The lights are on, but not very bright. Not very bright, at least for my camera. Let me get that in focus. Okay, maybe it won't go in focus, but yeah, she's been busy doing the things. Got her little shelving unit thing set up over here. Got the blanket up there on the bar. So we got a lot of our packed clothes. Power's on, obviously, as I said. Got our foodstuffs over here. Water. My podcasting area, I guess you could say, plus some other stuff. But that's where I do my comedy podcast, Laughing on the Inside. Link for that's down below. And it works out perfect. I already tested it out. And of course, the kitchen. Where's the light for the kitchen? Oh, no. Oh, there's another light in here.
Oh.
There it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she couldn't figure out where the light was. There it is. Yeah, now it's not so dark. Yeah. Aren't we the intelligent ones? Couldn't even figure out where the freaking light was. But right now she's just over here. She's making some chicken. Yummy.
1 kilo, $8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
No, $2.50.
and of course, I already showed you the bathroom, but she got all that set up the way she wanted it. If you notice from the last little clip, she did have to move the bed. It was that way. That's a pretty hefty bed, man. That thing is a bear to move around. The other one was really light, like you could do it with one hand. This one takes some effort. Got to put some effort into it. All right. But anyway, in case anybody was wondering, that's why we moved. And we did have to leave before the 16th of the month because that's when our rent for our former place would have been due. And can't afford to pay rent at two places in the same month, obviously. So she got up. She found this place. Like if we, Luke's already come over, Luke and his girlfriend Alip, and we went to Sasamaki, one of my favorite markets, and it's surprisingly close. Not just a short little, maybe 12 to 15 minute walk from here. So you go in the back way. That's pretty cool. So we got some things. He had to get home, of course, because the curfew at 8 o'clock. But that's what's happening. That's how I spent my day. I woke up, Senglai came home and said, "Guess what? We're moving, pal." And I was like, whoa, I don't want to move. And she was like, "Nope. Get your stuff together. Here's an energy drink. Here's some bags. Let's get to packing." And the rest you've seen in the video. So that's how I spent my day. But on the other hand, that's also how easy it is here. Like you find a place, they didn't want to deposit here. You pay the first month's rent. We went back and paid the water and electric in our last place that we owed for
since the 16th of last month. We figured it all out. We paid that. Then we got the trailer with a motorbike pulling it, and here we are. Just that simple. Not hard at all. I know a lot of people, I say this all the time, but a lot of people always worry. Usually when you go visit somewhere or you're moving somewhere, you got to think, oh, what's the situation with the apartments, with the rent? Where am I going to stay? How much is it going to cost? But here it's super simple, super easy. The last thing you should ever worry about coming here is a place to stay. You can find one within an hour or two, and it'll be fine. All right, so I'm going to let her go ahead and cook the chicken.
Yes.
This one's a little short, but we are going to get out tomorrow and the next day, and we're going to look around and show you some of the area. I haven't been out in this area this far before. I have been to Wat Polanka, the big temple Wat place, but I haven't been past it this far. This is way on the other side of the river from where we live. It's about an 11-minute drive from Luke's to here, so that would be about an hour walk, so it's a little further away, but seems to be a quiet area. The neighbors are all nice. I'm the only foreigner here. I always like that. All right, that'll do it for this one. Be sure to check out all my links down below. If you want to help us do what we do, you want to help support us, I appreciate it. It's always appreciated. My PayPal link's down below, buymeacoffee.com/DDC, and join my Patreon if you want to. I will send you copies of my book, exclusive videos, first look videos, and more if you do that as a way of saying thank you. Other channels in Cambodia, those are listed down below. You can buy my books individually down below. Everything is down below. Also, all my social media is down below. And check out my other channel, Laughing on the Inside, my comedy podcast. That link is, guess where? Guess. Down below. All right. I'm tired, I'm sweaty, I'm hungry, all that good stuff. So thank you for watching this short little video. I know it's not exciting, it's not outside, I'm not showing you the views, but this is it. The new digs. Pretty happy. All right, talk to you guys in the next one.